this video, I'll show you how to extract audio from a video in Canva. Let's get started. Open Canva and create a new video project. Go to the Uploads tab and click Upload Files to upload your video containing audio. Once uploaded, drag the video to your page and adjust its size and position as needed. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the video track on the timeline. Select the Extract Audio option or use the shortcut CT or L plus Shift plus E. The audio will now appear as a separate track on the timeline. Click the audio track to edit it. You can adjust fade in, fade out, or other effects. And that's it. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more quick Canva tips. Thanks for watching.